every year, 31st of May. So the last day of May is World No Tobacco Day. In Chinese, we say 世界无烟日. See? Wu here, right? No. 世界 is world.
Right.
Wu is have no. Yan, smoke. 世界无烟日. So no tobacco, actually no smoking day.
No smoking day.
世界无烟日.
We could probably do a lot better without congestive heart failure and lung cancer and a lot of the other conditions that are one of the number one killers in the world. So.
Yeah. And Beijing has banned smoking in public areas, public indoor areas for a long time. So if you live in Beijing and you see someone smoking in a restaurant or in a hotel, any indoor area, take a picture, send it to authority. Have this one. They're not going to be arrested, but fined. So they would know. Not create any second-hand smoke, 二手烟, to harm people around them.
Yeah.
I'm being very harsh today.
Oh, yes. Yes, laying down the law.
It's only for your own. That brings us to the end of today's Takeaway Chinese. I'm Yang Lin with Tony here in the studio. For more episodes of the show, you can visit our website at radio.cgtn.com and go to the column Podcast.
You can also listen to the show and read the script there. Find us wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts, including Apple, Google Podcasts, Stitcher, and much more. Just search for Takeaway Chinese. And don't forget to leave your comments, ratings, and questions.
Thanks for listening. See you. It's me again. If you like our show, you might also be interested in our other programs on other platforms as well. Here is an example. The phrase we're learning today is the idiom 居安思危, be prepared for danger in times of safety. 居 means live in, an means safety, 思 think of, 危 means danger. Together, 居安思危 literally means while living in peace, one should think danger, or we can say be prepared for danger in times of safety. 居安思危. For example, 我们必须增强忧患意识，始终居安思危. We must demonstrate stronger vigilance and always be prepared for potential danger, even in times of calm. 我们 we 必须 must 增强 strengthen 忧患意识 vigilance 始终 forever 居安思危 be prepared for potential danger. We must demonstrate stronger vigilance and always be prepared for potential danger even in times of calm. Facing the new challenges stemming from a complicated international environment, the Chinese people are both brave and adept in carrying out their struggles, forging new paths, and building new bridges wherever necessary to take them past all risks and challenges. 居安思危，你学会了吗？ This is a short video series on our Facebook page and YouTube channel, Learn Chinese, on which you may find shows including More Than Mandarin, Old Wisdom, New Insights, and your degree of Chinese learning.
Dive into the sports world with Sideline Story, our weekly podcast that brings you the most up-to-date game analysis and news from the latest sports action. Subscribe to Sideline Story on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, iHeartRadio, and wherever you listen to your podcast.
Want to learn about world affairs in a more laid-back and accessible manner? Join insiders, experts, and athletes in the casual setting of the chat lounge.
Personal experiences and opinions on major events and hot issues. Subscribe to Chat Lounge for free on Apple Podcasts or wherever you get your favorite podcasts. Starting this March.